Good afternoon guys, and welcome to this week's moving vlog. If you are new here, my name is Nodreenk and I post fashion, lifestyle and marketing career related videos, so go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. But if you're not new here, then you know that this is, I don't know, vlog number 5 or 6 or 7 in my moving vlog series. I have a few furniture arrivals this week and some updates next week as well, so I'm just going to join them all into one weekly vlog, one weekly moving vlog. So tomorrow I've got my dining table coming from IKEA. The day after that I've got somebody to come in and like build it for us because it's a little bit more complicated. And then we also have a new sofa coming in later in the week, and then the following week we're going to have our headboards basically readjusted, resized and then taken upstairs into our room, and our new bed assembled. So there is a lot going on, and I thought I would kick off the vlog today. So I am heading to the gym tonight and I'm just going to do cardio, I think. I've been trying to do like sit-ups and all of my crunches and like floor work at home because I don't like doing it in the gym. So yeah, heading there tonight to get in a good sweat sesh. Probably try and burn quite a bit on the elliptical because I really indulged this weekend. I ate whatever I wanted, which is what I like to do. And yeah, no apologies for that, but you know, let's get back on it this week. It's a pretty quiet start to the week. There is a storm here in the UK, and I say storm in inverted commas because our weather isn't as extreme, but it's been super windy over the weekend. So yeah, we've been trying to like avoid being out and about apart from on the weekends. But yeah, it's a pretty grey, miserable start to the day. I'm just in my office, finishing up a few work-related tasks, and then yeah, just gonna head out and see about fixing the damage from the weekend. So yeah, the next clip you guys will probably see will be the dining table being delivered and then being assembled. So yeah. Welcome, subscribe if you are not already. It really helps me out, and also give the video a like or click the thumbs up button so that YouTube knows that you want to see more of this content and doesn't hide my channel from you. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Good morning everybody. So, super quick update. The dining table has been delivered from IKEA. So this is the one we went for. It's the Ingertorp extendable like oval table in black. And I've got a handyman coming to put this together today because we would have done it ourselves, but it's probably quite complicated and it's a working day and we just want to be able to enjoy our dining chairs in peace. So sometimes outsource. Good evening guys, sorry for jumping on here so late, but it's been one hell of a busy day. But I come to you bearing good news. And we have a new dining table. I haven't put the chairs around it, but here is the big reveal. Bum, bum, bum. So there it is. I'm going to show you how it's, oh, the heatings are on, that's probably not the best place to rest my camera, how it extends. So this is the Ingertorp table from IKEA. Don't know if you can see me. So there are 2 latches at the bottom that you just flip up on either side, and then you basically just pull it like so. Yeah, Tilda's, I think, as far as it can go. And then, pretty sure, just pull out the extension and then push it together. And then it's like super long. So this, I think, comfortably would seat, I'd say 6 people. But yeah, so we are very likely going to have this over there once the headboard moves. But for now, I just said we'll just keep it here because we've got all these boxes to like get rid of. But yeah, super happy with it. Had a task rabbit come and put it together because it's a little bit complex. And just loving how it looks. We opted, oh, focus man. This camera's so temperamental. We opted for the black, just because it kind of goes with the aesthetic that I'm trying to create in here. There's a vibe that I'm trying to, you know, create. So yeah, it's going to go really well. The sofa hopefully comes on Friday, so that will be in the middle. We are running out of space in here a little bit, but we won't say that to the mister because he did warn me that we would. But we want a cozy vibe in here, so I'm going to set the table up here next to the radiator for now, so he can come and just be here. And yeah, dining table. Let me do that. Let me do the chairs now. Put you guys on a time lapse. And then we can have dinner here tonight.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same.
So yeah, we could probably get 2 more chairs on either side if we wanted to put it here once this stuff is moved out of the way, but that's what she's looking like. Good morning, guys. Sorry for the change in quality of the camera, but I'm vlogging on my phone and I just realized I hadn't actually shown you the sofa all set up. So we're heading out now just to grab some lunch and to get some more house stuff, probably pop into Home Sense or the Range, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like all set up and ready to go. So we're actually also thinking of taking off one side because it's super big and it's like eating up all the space that we've just created and we can't see the new flooring and stuff. So yeah, let me show you it in situ. Outfit of the day, Zara bodysuit, Zara jeans, and I'm going to wear these Tommy plimsolls that my mum got me. I need a bag, don't I? Good afternoon, guys. Happy what day does it say? Thursday. I'm having a sick day today, but there are major things going on in the house, so I thought I would take you around and show you. I'm not going to put my face on because this is not what you want to see, but a few updates. So downstairs we finally have the room back in the living room. Oh,
forgot to mention, we've got these placemats and coasters from the range, as well as this salt shaker. And the sofa is now in a decent positioning so that it's not blocking that door and not taking up sort of, it allows a little bit more walk room. Trust me, it was a squeeze before. In fact, I can probably push it even more. And then there's a nice room there for like a rug, coffee table, which we're probably going to use that, and I'm going to spray the edges gold, and then the TV will be mounted. But it'll be a different TV, not that one. That one's going upstairs. So yeah, spatially, this room is looking super good. And this sofa is massive and like way comfy. So yeah, that's what downstairs is looking like. All my battery is flashing, but it cannot die before I show you. Finally, we've got our new bed. I'm just going to take you upstairs. And the upholstery guys kindly put the mattress on for us and assembled the bed. And here it is. So we bought the bed and the mattress separately, but they fit really nicely and I'm so pleased with how it looks. We have been looking forward to this day for months, so we are so thrilled. Just want to show you a nighttime view of the room on my camera with some better footage. So this is what the room is looking like. Let me see if I can get a decent thumbnail. It actually looks bigger in person. Yeah, let me come up close, give you guys a good view. This is going to be an absolute nightmare to keep clean. Do our level best. No castor oil on the headboard. That's what this side looks like. Just need a suede brush really. But yeah, this is our new bedroom. Oh, actually I don't think I would have ever showed you guys this picture. But this is from the night. Can I zoom? Will you focus? This is from the night that he asked me to be his girlfriend. So, very, very special moment for me. Yeah, as is today. Our home has finally come together. Hey guys, so thank you so much if you've made it this far in the vlog. I really hope you've enjoyed following along with some of our house redecorating, new furniture buying. There's been quite a bit in this vlog, which explains the delay in uploading it. I wanted to just cram everything in and give you a nice chunky however many minutes to sit through. As you can see, I'm just chilling in the living room. It's still looking a bit bare. There's a dining table over there. Yeah, it's still looking a bit bare, but there is still a lot of things I want to do in here. So like back here, I want to put either like a console or buffet, or just like a really nice radiator cover. I want some art on the wall. I want two like vases behind it. I want to put some pictures up there, and then on this wall as well. I want to put a mirror above the dining table. We're going to mount the TV, so all of that stuff is going to move. And then I want a bar cart here, oops, there, where the TV is. And then we'll get a nice rug and we'll use the TV stand as our coffee table. So there's still lots to do down here. And then obviously next project is going to be getting the new kitchen in. And then finally the bathrooms, and eventually I think what I want to do is get some moulding for the ceilings and new skirting boards, possibly eventually replace the doors, and then I think we're done. So it's still about to be maybe a 2-year process, but it's fine, we're going to be here a while I think. But yeah, it's a quiet weekend, it's Saturday. I'm just chilling at home, probably going to be on the sofa pretty much all day and editing this vlog for you guys so that it goes up nice and early, well, early evening on Sunday for my UK viewers, and probably about late afternoon for my US viewers. So yeah, the other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is Instagram. Obviously, I mentioned in an earlier video this year that I had come off Instagram, and I had deleted my personal account, but my home account is still there, and I am posting updates, or the most recent updates on there, so do go and check that out. It's still nodreenk home. I'm not that active on there, I'll be real. I kind of just post and go. But if you ever wanted to chat, interact, then I'm always over there, so I will link that in the description box below, along with my jewellery, which is the Nefertiti necklace from Umi Lely Jewels, the wishbone necklace. I always wear these two together, and this croissant ring, which if the camera focuses you'll be able to see. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see from the next video. I'll probably just be getting like home furnishings and stuff, so nothing super exciting coming up, but yeah, interested to hear your thoughts. And as always, if you are new here, or even if you're not new, if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to do so, and hit the like button just so I know that you enjoyed this video, and I will bring you more of its kind. Until then, I will see you guys very soon.
We be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy when you go low.